Hello viewers and my dear students, welcome to Business Research Methods class. This is the skin enhancement course introduced in Mysore University, and this course introduces basics of business research and enhances the knowledge and skills of the students for carrying out the research for business. Myself, Dr. Deepu Kumar, Assistant Professor, Government Women's College, Hunsur. Let us start. In this session, we will discuss introduction about research, then what is research, what is business research, types of business research, criteria for good research, and lastly, steps for making good research. Let us continue with the introduction. So, business research is a process of conducting a detailed study of all business areas, including market and customers, and using that information to maximize the sales or profit of the business. Such research helps companies to determine which product or service is most profitable or most demanded in the market. Next, see what is research. The term research is made up of two words. One is re and search. Re means repetitive or again and again. Search means to discover or to find. What is to discover? To discover new products or services, or to enhance the characteristics of existing products or services, to find new ways to doing the business or new ways to doing the things, or to enhance the quality of doing things, or to find a solution to the existing problem. So you can say research is a process of thoroughly studying and analyzing the situational factors to seek out a solution. To be more elaborative, we can say research is a process of systematic inquiry or investigation into a specific problem or issues that lead to new or improved knowledge. Precisely, it can be said that research is a systematic and organized study and analysis of issues that helps to solve the problem or to develop a new theory or to add a new knowledge in the existing theories or stock of knowledge. Let's see areas of conducting research. There are numerous disciplines where we can carry out the research. They are natural or physical sciences, social sciences, management sciences, humanities. Let's see what is business research. A business research is a systematic and organized effort to investigate a specific business problem or to identify the specific business opportunity. So it is a systematic and objective process of gathering information for aid in business decision making, either to solve the problem or to make use of the opportunity. So this diagram depicts what is business research. See, first we gather the data relating to the opportunity or problem, then we analyze the data, then we build insights, and lastly we take decision. The decision may be in the form of solution to the problem or how to make use of the available opportunity. Areas of business research where we can conduct business research. So as I already told, business research can be conducted in all the areas of business, especially in market sector, industry as a whole, to analyze the competitors, to know the present prevailing conditions of the corporate sector, or to know the economic or financial conditions of the business world. Next, see what are the types of research. So there are many types of research. Basically, we categorize in two categories. One is applied research, and this research is carried out to solve a specific business problems. Another one is basic research, which is carried out to solve the general problems. To be more elaborative, we can say applied research is carried out to solve a current specific problem faced by a manager in the business world that demands a timely solution. Take for example, if a particular product may not be selling well in the market and the manager wants to find out the reason why the sales are down in order to take the corrective decisions. Whereas the basic research, also known as fundamental research or pure research, is carried out to generate a body of knowledge or to trying to comprehend how certain problems that occur frequently in organization can be solved. To more specific, we can say applied research is designed to solve practical problems of the modern world rather than to acquire knowledge. One might say that the goal of applied scientists is to improve the human conditions, to make the betterment of the present situation, whereas the basic research its primary objective is to enhance the knowledge or advancement of the knowledge or construct new theories and new understandings, and it is exploratory in nature, and often it is driven by the curiosity, interest or intuition of the researcher, and it is conducted without any practical end in mind, although we can have unexpected results to the practical problems. Let us see the criteria of good research. So in this topic we discuss how to conduct a good research and what are the criteria that enhances the quality of the research. The first thing is the research must have a systematic process. We usually say research should follow a scientific method, a chronological order of action. Then it should be supported with the logic. So the research can be done to solve the logical problems, and we should have the results which supports the logical mind. And research must be empirical. Empirical means a thorough study. Research should conduct a thorough study of the problem. Then it should provide scope for verification. Research results can be verifiable by anyone, and it should use possible common concepts in order to solve the problem or to conduct the research. So procedure should be followed in a sufficiently described manner, and the procedure should describe the objective of the researcher that can be achieved, and these are the criteria for good research. Next, we will discuss the steps for making a good research. What are the steps that we have to follow in order to carry out a good research? The initial step is to find the opportunity or to identify the problem to which we want the solution. In order to identify the problem or to understand the problem, we have to carry out literature review. It means literature review means studying the previous studies about the same factor or same situation or same problem. Then we have to evaluate the findings that we get from the literature review in order to identify the gap. It means what is left over in the previous studies. We have to next formulate the hypothesis based upon our understanding of the problem. Then we need to collect data. So collection of data is a very crucial in research, because the outcome of the research depends upon the way you collect the data. There are many methods of collecting data that we will discuss in the later sessions. After collection of data, we have to analyze the data. So for analysis of data, we use many tools and techniques, especially statistical techniques, in order to find out the result or to enhance the usefulness of the data. So in order to convert the data into information, we need to analyze the data. Then interpretation of data. So it is after analyzing the data, we need to find out the results of the research. Then we have to find out whether the result supports the hypothesis that we have formulated. And lastly, we have to draw inferences from the what input we get from the research. This is all about the steps for making a good research. So let us have a recap what we discussed so far. So we discussed what is research, then what is business research, then types of research, and what are the criteria for good research, and steps in making a good research. This is all about session 1. I hope you understood the concept, and thank you for being with me. Thank you.